Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have rice powder. I'll be making this rice powder swallow. So you can see this is the texture, and I'll be making swallow out of this. So people, let's get straight into today's video. So I'll start by boiling water. I'll start by adding water to the pot and allow the water to get very hot. So people, our water is very hot at this point in time. I'm going to be adding a drop of vegetable oil. If you want to use olive oil, it's okay. So I'll be adding just a drop of vegetable oil. This will help the rice flour not to stick to the pot, you know. This is why I like to add olive oil or vegetable oil before making the rice flour swallow. It is time to start adding the rice flour to the water. So people, here is our rice flour swallow. You can see the texture is super nice. It is not hard, it is not too soft, it's just perfect. At this point in time, I just turned off the heat, and here is our rice flour swallow. Ta-da! So people, here is our rice flour swallow. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Comment, share, like, share, comment, and I'll catch up with you all in the next video.